Warning, don't even think about getting dental implants until you watch this short video. When it comes to giving yourself the gift of a beautiful new smile, there's one question that everybody has at the top of their mind, and that is, how much are dental implants? How much is it to replace a full set of teeth? You might be asking similar questions. Is it affordable? Is this a possibility for you? Are you personally able to afford it? If so, we're here to help. The good news is, regardless of your budget, we have solutions and options that will help you get that smile you deserve, restore your confidence, and unlock your true potential. And I'm excited to tell you about that today. Hi, I'm Dr. Travis Kendall. And even though I don't have a ton of time in this short video to tell you my full story, I can tell you I have firsthand experience not being proud of my smile and feeling the pain of not being accepted, feeling judged by other people. So I know where you're at. You see, a smile is not just about teeth. It's about giving you the confidence, restoring that confidence in you to be who you truly are. I've been privileged to see many smile transformations throughout the years, including my own. This is what truly gives me the excitement to get up every single day and to come to work. It's changing and transforming lives. In fact, my slogan is, new smile, period, new life, exclamation. The smile is great. The life changed is priceless. I've been restoring smiles for the past 13 years. I've seen thousands of transformations, and I'm 100% confident that I can do the same for you. There are a few things that you need to take into consideration if you're going to replace your teeth with dental implants. Or if you have missing teeth and you're currently in dentures and you're looking to get teeth that are permanent. First, we've already talked about this before. What is the cost? Can you afford it? This is not something that the government is going to cover for you. This is not something that dental insurance is going to cover a good portion of. It's truly an investment that you're going to have to personally make into your future. This is an investment that's going to be the best investment you can make, that's going to give you back that confidence. And you can't wait around for an insurance company or a government agency to give you back your smile. You've got to take this and make this investment in yourself. Like I said before, regardless of what your budget is, we have many different solutions and options to be able to give you that smile you deserve. That's what we're here for. We're going to help you through that. Now remember, this is an investment in your long-term future. You don't want to go with someone who does this 2 to 3 times a year or even 2 to 3 times a month. You want to go with an expert who does this on a daily basis. And you want to find one provider who does it all. Now, there simply isn't enough time in this short video to go through all the considerations that you'll need to go through to be able to make an informed decision on whether you should replace your teeth with dental implants. But if you know a new smile is something that's going to truly free you up and unlock your true potential, then please click on the link below. Watch the no obligation informational video that we have for you. And we also have a 60-second quiz that will help you understand whether you're a good candidate. If so, we can get you in for a free consultation and a 3D x-ray to be able to determine whether you have enough bone and if we can make this happen for you. Don't even let one more day go by letting your smile rob you of the confidence you deserve. Remember, regardless of your budget, we have solutions, we have options that can help you. So please click on the link below, watch the informational video, do the 60-second quiz, and I'll see you in my office for our free consultation and 3D x-ray.